This is a 15 kVA rod butt welder. You have to connect two lines of 3-phase, 40 amperes, 50/68 power supply after opening the back cover, and then we can show you what all parts are there in the machine. These are the aluminum, zirconium, copper welding jaws. These are the clamping jaws, and on top you have the clamping levers. Then we have the oiling cups. You can do the greasing and oiling of the slide. Then we have the pressure adjustment arrangement over here, and then we have the gap adjustment lever for adjusting the gap between the two welding jaws before welding. Then we have a gap stopper. On back side you have the current cut-off switch. After the welding is over, current will get cut off automatically. Now here we have a grinding arrangement for grinding the bar after butt welding. At the back we have the grinder on-off switch. Then in front we have the welding and annealing switch. And here we have the current setter switch. So you can refer to the welding data chart provided for butt welding different diameter of rods. You can adjust the width, the current tap number, then pressure on scale, then the offset cap scale as per the data given approximately. Then you can start butt welding. Now we'll show you how to butt weld 8 mm rods. To adjust the current for 8 mm butt welding rod, we keep it number 6. Then you adjust the pressure, keep it say number at 15. Then adjust the gap with this lever and put a stopper there. Then you can clamp the rods to be butt welded in the welding jaws like this from both the sides. Then take out the gap stopper. Now you can press the button for butt welding. You will see the welding taking place. And cutoff will be automatic. Now it's welded, current cutoff is automatic. Now you can take the gap adjusting lever back and again clamp the welded joint in the center of the welding jaws. Then press the push button for annealing. Now this is the anneal. You can now remove the welded joint and do the grinding. On the grinder. Now we'll show you the butt welding of 6 mm rods. Change the current shifter to set tap number 5. Then pressure you have to adjust number 10, and the gap there will be as same as 10. Then clamp the rods in the center of the welding jaws fully so that the ends touch each other in the mid. Then take the stopper back, then press the push button for welding. You will say welding taking place and cutoff is automatic. Then you can remove the clamp, remove the job, then do the annealing by again clamping with the push button. It is okay now. Now you can declamp the annealing rods. You can do the burr grinding on the grinder. Back side. Front. This is how it grinded.